Hi guys, my name is Joan. I'm a student at the University of the People and I'm from Cameroon. So I would like to take this chance to say thank you to all of these people, to all of you guys who have subscribed to this my YouTube channel. And I would like to everyone to stay tuned to see all the videos that will be uploaded for the tips to have good grade at the University of the People. So, in today's video, we are going to be talking on the various types of assignment which are offered at the University of the People. So, the various types of assignment are, we have the discussion assignment, we have the written assignment, we have the learning journal, and we have self quiz, we have the graded quiz, and we have the final exam. So this video is to introduce all of this assignment for us to stay tuned to this channel and get the tips of coming out with each assignment. And in the next video we are also going to have tips on how to submit this assignment, how to overcome bad grades, how to that means to avoid late submission of assignment. All will be in this channel. So all the discussion assignment is a forum that you have to post your own assignment into this forum before you are going to be able to see the assignment of others. And you will have to come out with your own initial post and you submit it in this discussion forum, and you have to access 3 of your peers. Then we move to the written assignment. The written assignment is assessed by students, same as the discussion assignment, and we have to be so careful with assignment in order to have good grades. The written assignment, you can submit it either in a Word document or in the PDF. Other videos will be coming up on how to submit assignment on the PDF and on the Word document. So the learning journal is another assignment which is being given at the University of the People. It's being assessed by the instructor, because this is the place where the instructor asks the question for you to explain how your studies are going. If you have any complaint you can give, you have to submit this in the learning journal. Please guys, if you love this video, make sure to subscribe, to like, comment and share. And if you don't understand any place, make sure to put your question on the comment section. I'm going to review it and I will get back to you. Also click the bell in order to be notified whenever I upload another video. So in the various types of assignment at the University of the People, we have the self quiz. The self quiz is just for you to practice on your assignment, even though the grades are not being added to your course total grades. There are some students who don't take this self quiz to be something serious, but I'm going to upload another video on the importance of the self quiz. The self quiz is made up of multiple choice and you have to choose either A or B or C in order to have the right answer. So we have the graded quiz. The graded quiz is just like the self quiz, but the difference here is the graded quiz will be added to your course total and it is just having one attempt. You just have to take it once, but with the self quiz you can do it again. and it is unlimited. So the graded quiz, you have to tame yourself when you are taking this quiz, because it also have its own time allocation, which if you fail to submit this assignment in time, you might be able to score a low grade or even a zero in this assignment because you didn't submit it in time. It's also made up of multiple choice questions. We have the final exam, and also we have the review quiz. The review quiz is going to prepare you on the all the concept, all from unit 1 to unit 8, for you to be able to take your exam. And the review quiz too is also having unlimited time you can take and take. It's also made up of multiple choice. We have the final exam. The final exam is going to be taken once, and it have its own time allocation. But with the final exam, if you are unable to submit this exam in time, the model will help you and submit the few questions that you have answered. So we also have the checklist. After doing all your assignment, you need to work on the checklist. You need to go back on the checklist and you check to see if all your assignments were submitted or you finish all your assignments. And this is all the assignment at the University of the People. So this is just an introduction to all the assignment that we have at the University of the People. So in the other video, you have to stay tuned to see how to submit this assignment, how to go about this assignment. And also, I would like you to like this video, share and comment, because you know all the studies at the University of the People will be uploaded in this channel. This channel is made for students to have good grades. So if you are willing and you want to have good grades in your courses, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, to comment, ask questions on the ones you don't understand. You can see today is just a light video. We are not like going so detailed in the various assignment, because we are just talking on the various assignment found that they have been given or they are in the University of the People. Also, I'm going to upload other videos in this assignment which will be so helpful in your studies as you continue in the University of the People. And my luck for everybody is to succeed and to have good grades in all the courses. So the most videos that you are going to see, this one you see me here because it is an introductory video. Is like we have to talk on the types of assignment, but most of the time I would not like to be on the camera like this, but to show you exactly what I'm talking about, for you to see and know where the assignments are found, how to do them, how to go about them. And sometimes we are going to have video like this also to see the person who have this channel and how we can grow together. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Make sure to click the bell in order to get more videos whenever I upload some. So guys, I will be grateful and I will be happy to reply to any question that will be found on the comment list, on the comment section. Make sure to ask question. So the purpose of this video is to know the different types of assignment, and it's just like a light video on all of the assignment, but I'm going to upload the videos on the various assignment in order for us to see this assignment, how we can do it. So some of the times we are going to be here you see me, and some of the times we are going to have mostly videos that they are there for the main purpose of the channel. Make sure to stay tuned and you get all the tips in order to have good grades in your course. My joy, my happiness will be when all the students will be able to have good grades in their courses. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected with my channel in order to have all the tips for good grades, and make sure to stay safe and blessed. Love everybody. Bye.